process of dividing the cell's DNA into two identical daughter cells. Mitosis has 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, which you can remember as PMAT. The first phase of mitosis is called prophase. During prophase, there are a few key events. 1. Chromatin coils and gets nicely packed to form chromosomes. So instead of being like a tangled mass of spaghetti, your DNA is tightly packaged and easier to organize and move around. 2. The nucleus goes away. It literally disintegrates. Why? Because it's in the way. The chromosomes are trapped inside the nucleus and can't get moved to where they need to go unless the cell gets rid of it. So it does. 3. The spindle apparatus, a bunch of protein tubes that are used to move your chromosomes around, also forms. It makes sense that all of these things would happen during prophase, the beginning of mitosis, because they are the things that need to happen at the beginning. It's like moving to a new house. There are some things you do at the beginning of the process. Just like you need to pack up your stuff before moving to a new house, the cell needs to pack up its chromatin into easily movable chromosomes. And just like you need to leave your house to move out of it, the chromosomes need to get out of the nucleus, so it vanishes. Your whole house doesn't exactly vanish, but you get the idea. Finally, if you're going to move, it makes sense to have your moving truck ready to go. The moving truck is like the spindle apparatus. Again, it makes sense to have this at the beginning of mitosis. So, that's prophase. The rest of the phases will go much quicker. Metaphase is the next phase. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up down the middle of the cell. Think M for middle.
The chromosomes line up down the middle.
This makes the chromosomes easily organized so that they can be evenly divided in half in our next phase, anaphase. During anaphase, sister chromatids are separated from one another and pulled to opposite ends of the cell. Telophase is basically the reverse of prophase. Each newly formed daughter cell is going to start its new life in interphase. So we have to undo all the mitosis stuff that helped the cell to divide. Back to normal cell life. So, the chromosomes uncoil to form chromatin, the nucleus returns, and the spindle apparatus breaks down because it is no longer needed. Usually at the same time, the cell completely divides in half, a process called cytokinesis. The result is 2 genetically identical daughter cells. That is the entire cell cycle: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis.